Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to tag a friend after you've already made the post on Facebook. This is super useful if you forgot to tag someone or want to highlight someone later on. So, let's get started. Open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the post where you want to add the tag. This could be a status update, photo, or video. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Edit Post. In the editing screen, tap on Tag People. You can now search for your friend's name from your friend list. Tap on their name to select them. Once you've selected who you want to tag, tap Done in the upper right corner, then tap Save or Done again to update your post. And that's it. You've successfully tagged your friend after posting. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.